Here I am in the kitchen with this Bosch dishwasher. In a previous video I showed how to clear the error 13 message by getting underneath and draining the water in the bottom tray, and I said that I was going to replace the door hinge and the door where it's been overextended. I've been putting this job off for a long time because I'm not too sure how easy or difficult it's going to be, but today's the day I'm getting in there and giving it a try. Okay, I've got the dishwasher out of its cavity. Now I'm going to have a look at replacing this hinge and the inside door skin, which has been damaged down in the corner here. Hopefully I'm going to be able to fix it. The spare parts I've got up here: a new door skin from the inside. This is the hinge that attaches to the door, and this is the part that attaches to the frame. And I've got a new weather seal as well, in case that needs to be replaced also. There's a lot of dirt collected in here since last time. Just going to flick this soap reservoir out now that I've got it all unplugged. The door's basically disconnected. There's just the earth strap here that I need to remove, and the wires seem to go straight back into the machine. So hopefully no need to disturb much more of that. Just going to flick these tabs out. Without the weight of the electronics in the top of the door, that bungee system is quite strong. You can see how quickly it shuts the door, so I imagine there's going to be quite a lot of tension on those bungees. I'm just going to take this earth strap off now. I think I should be very close to actually removing the inner skin now. There's just 4 screws left, 2 here and 2 here. I'm not actually clamping the wire. I'm just hooking around the base of that and levering it off. So that's one side disconnected. So I'm going to do the same on this side. Now that door is loosened off, ready to disconnect the inner skin. Okay, there it is, the inner skin is out. What I'm going to do now is inspect the area around this hinge. Definitely the back part of the hinge doesn't look to be damaged. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip that hinge off now. Get the two side by side, new and old. At the first glance, it doesn't seem to be that there's any damage, but I'm really looking closely. This end of the hinge here actually looks to be bent down away from the rest of the structure. Now, given this is a hinge and it's right in the center of a pivot point, a little bit of error here transmutes to a lot of error at the other end of the door. So I'm going to replace this hinge and see if I can't get a better result. Getting the hinge back in looks pretty straightforward. Just pop it in place. The next thing I'm going to do is give everything a good clean. I've worked on all kinds of machines, and if there's one thing I've learned, machines are filthy. If you're afraid of cleaning, then you probably shouldn't be working on machines. Why do we use detergent when we're cleaning, especially on oily stuff? Is it because the detergent helps cut through the grease? Maybe. I like to think it's because it can disguise some of the disgusting stuff that you're going to be cleaning in a lovely patch of bubbles. Bubbles makes the dirt look more attractive. I mean, look at this. This is pure, baked on filth. Let me get the torch so you can see this a bit better. Look at that corner there. That's 1/4 of an inch or more thick. Look at that filth. That's the real good stuff. That's been there building up since this dishwasher was new. 4 years. 4 years of collected filth. Just imagine what's hiding inside your dishwasher. More of that good stuff. This is why God gave us fingernails, for scrubbing off baked on bits of dirt and grime off rubber seals. And just take a look at this clip that fell out. Oh yeah, there's more filth in there. Putting these clips back on. Easy. Alright, now this is kind of the moment I've been waiting for. Now I'm going to extend the door for the first time and see. Oh yes, look at that. There's no more backlash, no more free play. It just comes down onto the stops and it sits there nicely. I think I may have won this battle. I won't know until I run the dishwasher and find out if water fills up in that bottom tub again, but I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm actually going to test this dishwasher before I put it back in the cavity. This was a longer video than what I usually do. After testing that dishwasher, there was no more leaks and no more drips into the bottom tray. So this was a complete success. Quite a few hours of work condensed into a 10-minute video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye for now.